You're asking for a cigarette. It's 2 o'clock and we're laying in bed in a hotel in the city where no one can hear, where no one can see, and no one is near. On the floor there's a bottle of wine, it looks empty, and so do I. But your bags back then, your mind's made up, and I'm not gonna fight if you lost your love. If you lost your love, if it's not enough. Oh, is this the night that we both been fearing quietly? Is this the night that will decide to end things finally? Drawing lines on the ceiling, close my eyes, I can hear your breathing. A strange silence in vain, stomach is turning as the sun is there. Now we're here in a town, I don't know what we used to have melts like summer snow. Still your bags, back then your mind's made up. How I wish I'd fought it before it was lost. If you lost your love, that we both been fearing quietly? Is this the night that will decide to end things finally? I never thought that all the old songs would start to remind me of you, but this is the night where I fear it all turns true. Entangled and estranged, your silence makes me faint. Is this the night?